Okay, can I introduce to you all the way from the Hokianga, Rima Norman.
Might be a bit higher. And how many roads must a man walk down before they call him a man? And how many seas must a white dove sail before she sleeps in the sand? And how many times must those cannonballs be fired before they're forever banned? Whoa, yeah. Now let me tell you that the answer, my friend, oh, is the blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. Oh, you know that the answer is blowing in the wind. Now let me tell you, it's blowing, it's blowing, it's blowing. The answer is blowing in the wind, and it's blowing, yeah, yeah, yeah. The answer is blowing in the wind. And how many roads must a man walk down before they call him a man? Yeah. And how many seas must a white dove sail before she sleeps in the sand? And how many times must those cannonballs be fired before they're forever banned? Whoa, yeah. Now let me tell you that the